So this year I am most thankful for the A I got on my France and Italy wines test. Very excited for break.
I'm very thankful for my mom. She's the only thing that I've ever had in my entire life, and she's the reason why I'm here and the reason why I'm going to be pushing forward and keep going through this journey.
This year I am most thankful for my family and for the opportunity to be able to do what I love every single day.
I'm thankful for my 3 grandchildren and my wonderful family and my good health.
Thankful for the opportunity that the Culinary Institute presents for us veterans. You guys have been really good to us, and I appreciate all of that.
I'm thankful for the friends and family in my life, getting to spend the holidays with them, and also being able to have a great craft beer with my Thanksgiving dinner.
So this holiday season, I am very thankful for my family. I think I'm most thankful for the turkey. I love to eat.
I'm thankful to be able to take all the skills that I got learned here and bring them back home and cook for my family.
My grandma cooks matzo ball soup, which is a Jewish tradition that I love to eat.
Very thankful for all the chefs that are willing to pass on the knowledge to the next generation of young cooks.
Brisket, I love to eat too. And then I'm thankful for just being around my family and loving everything about Thanksgiving.
Thankful for the opportunity to teach a lot of our hardworking veterans who come to the school and who have given a lot for our country each and every day. Now they want to learn how to bake, and it's always a pleasure to help them out.
Happy Thanksgiving to everyone. I hope you have a wonderful holiday.
Happy Thanksgiving from the CIA Admissions Office.
Happy Thanksgiving!